Bali.
North Bali.
We are driving our bike for 2 hours.
We are driving our bike for 2 hours.
All the way up to North Bali.
All the way up to North Bali.
And then this waterfall, we didn't expect it. So we saw it along the road. There was a sign that says Waterfall Leke Leke. So we're gonna just stop by and see it. Well, we're on the way over there, might as well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You wanna hold it? You wanna hold it?
Careful behind you.
Yeah, drop the phone.
Well, we just arrived at our destination, Gikit Waterfall. How do I have to go to the bathroom?
Hold on. Gikit Waterfall. Okay guys, we're standing in front of the freaking most beautiful waterfall I have ever seen in my life. Like I've said that a lot of times, but this time I really mean it. Like, you have to be here to experience the beauty. It's majestic. It's wow.
Beautiful. Not even this camera could get it.
No, like it looks like it does not look like the same as the camera. You know, like it looks small in the camera, but right here it's enormous. It's magnificent. It's yeah. We'll go see. We're trying to go over there, but we have to cross the river.
They said supposedly it's like 600 stairs. So we came down maybe around that much, but to go back up it's gonna be worse.
But it's worth it. Look at this. Based on the water So here in Bali, the coffee made from the luwak. These are luwak. It's very popular, but it's very strong. That's why people love it. So they eat the coffee, and then they process it in their stomach, and then they poop it out, and then people drink it like that because it's so strong and so good. And this is about to try poop coffee because I don't like coffee. Dinner. They just caught dinner for the ceremony. Daisy's drinking her coffee. I don't know, is it? Okay guys, as you can see, we are soaked. We are soaked. Yeah, we're crazy, man. We decided to say F it. It's the only time that we're gonna get to do this. We started driving our motorbike in the rain through the forest, and it was just beautiful during the day. So, and then during the night it got hard though. So we just been driving in the rain for 1 whole hour, and now we decided we needed a break because our butts were hurting. So we're here at BFC. It's like Kentucky Fried Chicken, but instead of a K, it's a B. Or it stands for BFC.
Oh, BFC.
So yeah, we're here. We're gonna eat some food, and hopefully the rain dies down. But it hasn't. It's been going on for like an hour and a half. So yeah, hope for us. Pray for us that the rain dies down. Okay, we're gonna end it here. Today was amazing. Like, wow, those waterfalls are I keep on saying this, but the best I've ever seen. The best waterfalls I've ever seen. It's just everything is the best. Everything is beautiful. Everything is wonderful. And I'm so thankful and grateful for this opportunity to be seeing this beautiful nature. But yeah, guys, Daisy's checking me. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all your support. It's amazing making these videos so you guys can watch all these beautiful places. And please remember that the only way that we're gonna get more subscribers is if you guys share our videos. So we ask that you please share our videos. We've been making some beautiful footage out here. So I just would like to ask for you guys to share our videos if you can. Also like and comment. Thank you guys, and have a great day.